Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking out the center console. So we'll be taking all this out. So let's go ahead and clean some of my coins out and whatever I have in the cup holders. So let me go ahead and get started with that. And then we're going to go ahead and get started with the first piece, which will be back here. So let me go ahead and take all my stuff out. And then, yeah, let me go ahead and do that and get my tools ready so we can get started. So just hang on tight. Alright guys, so for the first part that we gotta take off, we gotta take out these two little screws. And there's right in there. And two little black ones. We need Phillips. So let me go ahead and get my tools real quick. Took this one from the homie. Shout out to the homie Marcos. I'm gonna have to give it back to him because I'm just gonna be complaining not work. So let me see if one of these will fit. Hopefully this one works. It should work. Don't want to lose it. Oh my god, let me scoot my seat back so I can get better leverage. Okay, that should be better. I finally got it off. Went ahead and got a new tool because the homie's tool didn't really work that good. So let's go ahead and pull this off. There's a little cord to it on, I wonder what that one's for. Let me go ahead and unplug it. Let me show you guys. Got more screws in here. So I'm going to have to disconnect this real quick. It's a little plug-in. I don't know what it's for, but okay, that's disconnected. Put that over there. We got two more screws to take off. Okay, so that's off. That one's off. Let's go ahead and keep these little screws. Might need them for something else. This thing will come off now. And then we'll come back over here. Let's go ahead and take off the cup holders. Put this over here. Take this one off. Let's see what else we can find. No more screws. Let's take this little boot off. Okay, it's not gonna come off. Okay, so that's off. Let's see. Okay, so that's loose. Let's see what else we can find. Okay guys, let's see if I can pop this off. Alright guys, so let's see if I can pop these off. Okay, so this piece came off. Hey, what else can I disconnect? I don't need this thing no more. Okay, hold on, I think we can. Let's try to lift this up, this shit boot. Let's disconnect this guy. Damn, this thing's on pretty good. Fuck. Hey guys, we got more screws right over there. Or right in there, I mean. The reason why I'm taking this off so I can go ahead and get my hydro e-brake on. And this thing's gonna be in my way. Don't really need it no more. I guess we just have one more left. And I'm guessing we can lift up this little trim piece. Gonna disconnect some wires. Not really sure you disconnect these. Figure it out. So there's 2 buttons on the side, you just gotta press them in. And boom. Okay, since that's out, I'm gonna take this out and make a little bracket so I can put my windows up and down. So we're gonna save this piece. Okay, so there's more screws over here. This thing didn't want to take off on a. I don't know why it's being like that. The whole thing turned, so I'm just gonna save that. I'll probably end up cutting this off here in a bit. So there's more screws that I just found. There's one right here, one over here, one over here, one over there. Alright guys, so we're back. So this one's off. It's nasty looking. Let's see. We got more stuff in here we can take off. I'm for sure gonna take off the carpet. So we'll come back to this part. Let me see. Oh, so this is an airbag. Okay guys, so I'm gonna disconnect the battery because I don't want that going off. The battery's back there in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break and then I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so let me give you guys a little update. So we went ahead and removed all the little pieces that were in here, the little trims. They're right over there. And I went ahead and cut some of this off. And I went ahead and took this piece off. Don't really need it no more, it's just in the way. It still works, I mean it's a little cracked right there, so yeah, I'll probably just throw this thing away. So I went ahead and cut this piece right over here. Because I didn't feel like taking this whole piece out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And once it's off, I'm gonna start cutting into the carpet. And then all these wires, I'm gonna see if I can delete all these wires. So I'm gonna come over here and do the same thing, cut it where I cut that one off. So we can go ahead and take this piece off. So let me go ahead and go to the other side and get that started. Alright guys, so I finally got that piece off. I went ahead and cut it right there. But down the road I'll probably make it cleaner, finish it up a little bit more. Don't really have that much space right now. Or that much room, I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut up the carpet. And see where all these wires can go into. It's a lot of stuff right now. Real quick, I'm gonna disconnect this bracket. Let me see what size of socket it is. Let me come back. Alright guys, so I found the one we need. Let's go ahead and take it off. Alright, so that one's off. Alright, so let me go out to the driver's side and start working on that side real quick. Alright guys, so real quick, I just wanted you guys to see how it looks real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take out all this carpet out. And take some of this foam out. I already did some of this side. This blue looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Then once I get the car running, I'm gonna take this seat out so I can take more of the carpet out. So let me try to figure some more stuff out and then I'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, so everything's pretty much all good to go. I was trying to take this guy off, but I don't know. Looks like it has some glue on it. Oh no, that's from the boot. But yeah, I think that should be good for today. Gonna have to take some of this wire out later. So yeah, we're pretty much ready for the hydro e-brake. Put this in gear. Yeah, so how I'm gonna have the e-brake's gonna be like right over here. Maybe on this side, we'll see how. So we'll see what's up. We'll see what we come up with. So that's gonna be it for today. I know it's a lot of wires. We gotta clean that out. Gonna clean some of this copper. Take it out later down the road. Gotta take out the seats. I'll probably cut it up more once I get my bucket seat. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to like the video. And I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys next time when we work on the gasket so we can get the car running again. Alright guys, later. Have a good day.